Hello everyone, this is Aaron and Pat. For this clip, we are on SuperHive, or what used to be the Blender market. The add-on that Aaron is recommending today is the Pro Sprite Sheet Generator. This version is 1.1, which has a speed improvement of about 10 times. I am very proud to present this. Now, let's see how to use it. For the first time installation, we need to install OpenCV first. You can simply click this button here. Then wait until the installation is complete. Once finished, we will need to restart Blender, close it and open it again. Now, let's look at the usage. There are two modes, render scene and image sequence. Let's look at render scene. We can override the resolution as needed. Originally, it might be set to 128, but we can adjust it here, for example, to 64 by 64. Aside from that, we can also override the frame range. For instance, changing the end frame from 25 down to 12 frames. The add-on will then generate only up to frame 12. We can also adjust the sheet size, which refers to the columns. You can set it to 10 or 8, whatever you prefer. Next, go to the output section to choose where to save the file. Aaron will save it in the spreadsheet folder. I'll name it 128_run and click accept. OK, after that, simply click Generate Sprite Sheet. Click and wait a moment, you'll see starting and a progress bar here. There is also a cancel button if you want to stop the process. Wait a moment. OK, it's done. Click OK, let's look at the result. Here is the result. We get a finished spreadsheet like this, with 25 frames or however many we set, and the size shown here. Now let's test its efficiency regarding resolution capability. Aaron will increase it by multiplying by 2. Let's try to 156. And change the name here to 256. Then generate. Wait a moment. Since the process involves rendering and arranging the sprite sheet, the duration will be longer than a normal render, because it does both simultaneously. If the resolution is quite high, like 256 by 256, a warning might pop up. Don't panic, it just warns that high resolution takes longer to generate. Can you still generate it? Yes, just click OK. Then wait a bit longer than usual. OK, it's done. Here is the result. This one is 512 in map size overall. Wait, actually the individual cell size is larger. Now, let's try super crazy mode, multiply by 2, again. Let's see if it can handle it. Honestly, for games, this size is massive, I don't recommend using this size. This is just for testing purposes. Click Generate and wait. I am not editing or cutting the video here, let's watch in real time. Done. It generated successfully without crashing. So, even large sizes work, but please use appropriate sizes for your project. That's about it for render scene. Now, let's look at image sequence mode. If you want to generate something huge, like really high resolution, I recommend using image sequence. You need to render your scene out as an image sequence first using Blender's output settings. Then, select the input folder where you save those images. I will name this one SQ_1024. Then click Render Animation. And here is the result of the image sequence. As you can see, the size is very large. Alright, now let's use the image sequence mode by selecting the input folder. Next, name the file. Then, click Generate. You will see that this mode is incredibly fast, because it skips the rendering process and just arranges the existing images. If you are working on very large projects, I recommend this method. Let's try Super Crazy X2 again, 2048. Let's see if it works. It's huge. Again, the process involves loading and processing, so it takes a moment, but it's much faster than rendering from scratch. And done. It works without crashing. However, checking the resolution, it's massive. We usually don't use sizes this big for sprites, but this proves the add-on's efficiency is top-notch. It is available now on SuperHive for $10. This version 1.21 is much faster than before. So go check it out if you work with Sprite Sheets. That's it for this video, bye bye.